Hi my dear viewers, how are you all? I hope you all well. Today we are going to talk about the usage of, made from, made with. And before going to learn, firstly we have to know what is meant by made. Made is the past tense of make. Make, made, making, makes. Made is the past tense of make. What is meant by make? Make means to create, to construct, to form, to write, to compose, etc. So, today we are going to talk made of, made from, made with. Where we have to use, where and when and how we have to use made of, made with, made from. Okay, so I don't delay. Coming to the topic, the chairs are made dash plastic. The table is made dash wood. The cloths are made from cotton. Paper is made from timber. It's a type of tree. The dish is made with the potatoes, tomatoes, oil, onions, spices, herbs, etc. Okay, so how did I use made of? How did I use made of? And here, how did I use from? Here, there is a small technique, my dear viewers. There is a simple technique that we have to follow while we are writing the answers, when we are filling the blanks with suitable prepositions after made. Okay, see, now I am going to disclose the tricks. The chairs are made dash plastic. Go with of. See, the chairs are made of plastic. Why did I use of? Why not from? Why not with? See, simple example. Plastic. Actually I took plastic for making the chairs. I took plastic for making the chairs. After making the chairs, the plastic appears as well. The plastic is to be in view even after making the chairs. Even after making the chairs, the plastic appears as well. The plastic is seen as usual. So, in such cases, we have to go with of. See, I took plastic for making the chairs. After making the chairs, the plastic appears as well. So, go with of. And here, the table is made dash wood of wood because I took wood for making the table. After making the table, the wood appears as usual. The wood appears as well. So you have to go with of wood. The wood appears even after making the table. So go with of. And come to the next example. The cloths are made from cotton because from cotton. I took cotton for making the cloth. After making the cloth, what happens? The cotton disappears. The cotton disappears. The cotton is not to be in view after making cloth. If the cotton appears as well after making cloth, you have to go with of. But here you have to go with from because the cotton disappears. The cotton is not to be in view. The cotton disappears. The cotton will not be seen to all of us after making cloth. Only we see cloth, but no cotton. That is why you go with from. From cotton. The cloth is made from cotton. Cotton disappears. No cotton at all after making cloth. And next, paper is made dash timber. It's a type of trees. And we consider it as a source of wood. Okay. The paper is made from timber. It's a type of trees, as we said before. The paper is made from timber. Timber is a type of trees before we said. As as we said before, timber is a type of tree and considered as the source of wood. Okay. From the trees, I took timber or a type of tree or whatever it is as the source of wood. I took timber or tree or wood for making paper. After making the paper, the timber disappears. Yes or no? The timber disappears, the tree disappears, the wood disappears. After making paper, only paper we can observe, only paper we can see. Yes or no? But not timber, but not the tree. So, from timber, paper is made from timber because the timber disappears. The timber is not to be in our view after making the paper. Next, the dish is made with potatoes, tomatoes, oils, onions, spices, herbs, and etc. Because what the dish consists of? What does it consist of? For making dish, how many ingredients are added? See, the dish is made with potatoes, tomatoes, oils, onions. There are many ingredients. With many ingredients, the dish is made. Okay, so we have to go to with. Go with. Because there are many ingredients, there are many parts are involved, there are many ingredients are involved, or there are many parts are involved for making something. For making something, if there are many parts or many ingredients are involved, or more than one are involved, you go to with. You go with. Okay. And now I would like to tell you these all with examples. For example, you see, you take chair. The chair is made of plastic because even after making the chair, in the process of making the chair, the plastic appears as usual. The plastic appears as well. See, the plastic is to be in view even after making the chair. See? Okay. In the process of making the chair, the plastic doesn't go anywhere. The plastic doesn't disappear. The plastic appears as well. So you go with of. The chair is made of plastic. The next example, you take bowl. See? The bowl is made of plastic because the plastic appears as well after making the bowl. So the bowl is made of plastic. The plastic appears as usual as well, even after making the bowl. And next example, paper. You take the paper. Okay, you take the paper. In the process of making the tape, in the process of making the paper, what happens? The timber disappears. Actually, I took a type of tree for making this paper. After making this paper, no timber at all. The timber disappears after making the paper. Only paper we are looking. Only paper is seen to all of us. No timber at all. Okay, only paper. See, no timber at all. No timber. Only paper I am seeing. But it is made. But in the process of making this, I use something. I use timber for making this. But after making this paper, the timber disappears. So you go with from timber, from tree, or from wood. Okay. And next. And you see the basket. The best example, basket you see. Okay. So actually, I took bamboos for making this basket. After making the basket, what happens? The bamboo appears as well. The bamboo appears as usual. You see, so we have to go with way of. The basket is made of bamboos. Yes or no? because the bamboo appears as well even after making the basket. Actually, I took bamboos for making basket. Even after making the basket, the bamboos appears as usual. So this is what I'm trying to say in today's class. Next, we are going to talk about made in and made by. Where, when and how we have to use made in, made by. Here, very simple technique we have to use, my dear viewers. In refers to a place. In refers to a place. Made in, so and so place. Made dash. If any place comes, you go with in. Made in, so and so place. And by a person, by a company. Made dash. If a name of the person involves, you go with by. Or a name of a company involves, you go with by. By so and so person. By so and so company. Okay. Made in. Yeah. Made in. In refers to place. Made in so and so place. And by refers to a person or company. A person or a company. For example, you see, there are some smart mobiles made dash India. It's a place. It's a place. So made in India. Made in India. And there are some smart mobiles made dash China. Made in China. Place in refers to place. Made in so and so place. Be careful, keep it in our mind and not to forget. And the technique is very, very important. Made in so and so place. In refers to place. Made in so and so place. Okay. And next, Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. Made dash Rabindranath Tagore. As we said before, in refers to a place and by refers to a person or a company. See, Jana Gana Mana national anthem made dash Rabindranath Tagore. It's a name of a person. So by Rabindranath Tagore, by a person or a company, you go with by. And you see, there are many jobs made dash Infosys and Wipro. It's a name of a company. It's a name of software companies. Yes or no? Software companies, Wipro and Infosys. Yes or no? So there are many jobs made dash Infosys and Wipro. By Infosys, by Wipro. Okay. Again, I am repeating. There are some smart mobiles made in India. There are some smart mobiles made dash China, in China. In refers to place. And made dash sense of person. If person or a company involves, you go with by. Something is made by so and so person. Something is made by so and so company. As we said before, many jobs made dash. Many jobs are made dash Infosys or Wipro. By Infosys or Wipro. It's the name of a company. It's the name of a software company. So, by the way, we have to use it. Made in, made by. Okay. So, this is what I'm trying to say in today's class. I hope you understand it well. And, if you think it is a little useful for you, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. And I will come with an interesting topic in next class. Thank you so much.